somebody is stealing something.
Yes, you should be questioning your political leaders. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. This woman did a lovely job. Her representative came to her community, walking around, and she questioned him. She didn't back down, she wasn't intimidated. She questioned him accordingly. She gave her points respectfully. That's the key, respectfully. Because we all deserve respect, unless it's not given. So when this woman encountered Andrew Holness, the current leader of Jamaica, and they started to have a conversation about the conditions of the road, and the leader of the country and the whole Andrew Holness mentioned that the road has been in that condition for like 30 years or 20 years. I may be wrong, but I'm going to clip it in the front, so I'm going to put a little correction right here. And she rightfully said that when Andrew Holness said that something is going wrong, something is the issue. And she corrected him and said, yes, money is being stolen. Which is right. Because members of that community have been paying their taxes. Right? They have. So, if I'm living in a community and paying my taxes, and there's a representative from my community where the roads have been like this for 30 years, I don't care about the different parties that have been in power over that 30 years. The point is, both parties have been in power over that 30 years, and the roads remain the same. So it's not a matter of party. It's a matter of dishonesty and, frankly, disloyalty to the country or to the office that they serve. Because your job as a politician, as a member of parliament, as a councillor, as a representative of the community that you're representing, is to ensure that this area, this constituency, yes, constituency. I'm not sure I cut this up because I don't know what was going on a while ago, right? Their job is to ensure that it is running smoothly. The people of that area is having, life is being better for them. But yet the road has been in that condition for 30 or 20 years. This is how, my fellow Jamaicans, I want you to represent yourself. By questioning your representation. They're there to serve you. And it is so funny I saw this video because the video I put out right before this one was referring to the councilman Michel, who told the gentleman about his mother because the man asked about drainage. The man was not disrespectful. It wasn't disrespectful to him. It was a simple question. A fair question, as what the reporter said and the news. Yet that was your response. And again, people, these representatives, these members of parliaments, these government are there to serve you. Don't make them fool you into thinking otherwise. Okay? But these are just my thoughts. What are yours?